Hi everyone, the next topic is bar plot and pie charts. So remember that we have the data set for hair eye color. So this gives a contingency table for hair color and eye color. For example, 53 students have brown hair and brown eyes. And you can use the margin.table function or just apply function to take the marginal distribution. For example, if you would like to have the distribution of hair, just hair, then you can use this function. Okay, so and using this data set, we would like to make several the bar plot. The first one is simple one, just the bar plot by eye color. And the second plot is more complicated one to see the relationship between eye color and also hair color. So horizontal is eye color, vertical hair color. And also we would like to make this the side-by-side bar plot. This also expresses the information of hair color and eye color. Okay, so at first we have to define the data set in R. So hair eye color data set, first page, so this is D. And if you wanna make a distribution for hair color only, we can apply summation function for the first index, that is row. So this is hair color, so we say this as maybe DH. Then you can put just bar plot. Then you can make a bar plot. If you don't like the color, you can specify color, for example, pink. COL is the correct code, so color pink. And you can change it into, for example, green or something. And what colors are available in R? The typical colors such as black or red and blue, those are available. But if you wanna see all colors, you can just type colors, parentheses, then you can see all 657 colors in R. Light cyan, ivory, or grayscale, 0 to 100, and so on. Actually, sometimes it's hard to see what is this color, Alice blue. And many websites explains that what these colors are. And actually, this Columbia University's website, the link is in the slide. Then Alice blue, it explains Alice blue is this color. So it's almost white, but the pale blue. You can also specify color by this color number. So Alice blue was the second one. So colors, second one, then this graph becomes Alice blue. Okay, so yeah, and also you can specify color by RGB scale, red, green, and blue scale. If you put 1, 0, 0, red is 1, green and blue is 0. So this becomes entirely red graph. 0, 1, 0, this becomes green. 1, 0, 1, red and blue, so purple, slightly different, but if you change this into 0.5, actually it becomes more purple. So somewhat it's unpredictable, but at least it's logical. Yeah, especially RGB function may be more important since these days, because image analysis is a hot topic in recent years. So now we go to the second one. So this one. So bar plot, which represents both eye color, x-axis, and hair color, y-axis. And simply, you can put just D. Then you can make this graph. It's a little bit tricky in the sense that the first column, first index, the first index is rows. Rows, the first index becomes actually this vertical one. But actually the horizontal ones, actually the, I mean, the eye color, second index becomes here. So maybe just you can see the, graphically, the brown, blue, hazel, green is put side by side in this, table, and also put side by side here. So somewhat intuitive, but it works in this way. Bar plot, also you can put colors. For example, we have black, brown, red, and blonde here. So you can specify color. We define the COL, capital COL function as the sequence of black, and brown, and red, and the blonde. Blonde does not exist in R, so I identified that color as 78th color. So then bar plot, the color is equal to capital COL, then you can make this one. If you want to put legend, you can do that. X-axis, actually here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we want to put the legend here. So upper left corner is X is equal to 3, Y is equal to 100. So 3, 100, then you can put legend here black, and hair brown, and hair red, and hair blonde. You have to put this in a vector, so C parenthesis. And legend also need color, so color is equal to COL, and also we have to specify the point size, so 15. Then this square is the size of 15. So this is 15. So 30, then it becomes twice as large. I mean, in area, therefore 4 times larger. But okay, so this is how to make this graph. Okay, so now we wanna have another one. We wanna put this side by side. And how to do that? You can just specify the bar plot, and beside option is equal to true. Then you can put these 4 hair colors side by side. We can put those side by side. So this, okay, so this is how to create the several types of bar chart. Pie chart, it's somewhat simpler because pie chart just one graph, so it just represents proportion, and we can only use one variable. So pie chart is pi d dot h, then we can make it. Maybe it is not optimal color, but also you can specify color brown, black, actually hair color, so black, brown, and so on. So red and blonde. Blonde does not exist, so then you can make this way. So if we want to start this from the 12 o'clock and go clockwise, you can specify clockwise option. clockwise is equal to true, then this becomes this. So it starts out here.